Hey guys, BMW Canada just dropped the information for the 2022 Alpina B7. So I'm going to take you through the ordering guides and the prices and let you know everything that I see. But before we get into that, make sure you like this video as it does help me with YouTube's algorithm to get this video out there to more BMW people like you. And feel free to subscribe to the channel if you want to stay on top of all the BMW news. Alright, let's get into it.
So the only thing that I really pay attention to here is the start of production, which is going to be for March 2021. Now, all these slides are going to be for about 15 seconds, so if you want to read through all the details, just make sure you pause it so you can get everything. Next slide here is just letting us know the factory, which is going to be the Smalley plant in Germany is where they're coming from. Now we're going to get into our paint options here. I mean, if you're going to get an Alpina, you got to go classic Alpina green or blue, but you do have some options if you want to go that way. Next slide is going to go through the upholsteries, and you have one package available, which is the Executive Lounge Tier 2 that you can get. Now the ordering guides are going to go through the optional features that you can get as one-offs if you're doing a factory order. And now the ordering guides are just going to go through all the standard features that come with the Alpina B7, and the same with the following slides, as well as the rim option. Now the Alpina B7 only has one wheel option, which is going to be the 21-gin classic Alpina multi-spoke wheel with performance non-run flat tires.
Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this content and you learned a little bit from it. If you want to know anything in specific, drop it down in the comments below. As well as don't forget to like, subscribe, ring that notification for next time, and check out these other videos if you want to see more BMW content.